Ford Performance Parts is revealing custom concept packages at this year's SEMA Show, available to customers in 2024. These packages allow Ford vehicle owners to personalize their cars to reflect their style and preferences. Ford is launching these packages based on customer feedback, and they will be accessible through the Ford Performance Parts website or dealerships. Installation can be done by a Ford dealer or AS certified shop. The packages are divided into 4 categories: off-road capability, street performance, aesthetic parts, and unique vehicle graphics. Ford Performance ORV Packages for Ranger and Bronco aim to enhance off-road capabilities with various upgrades. The Ford Performance Street Packages for Mustang, like the FP800S Concept Package, focus on straight-line performance and can boost a 2024 Mustang GT's power to at least 800 horsepower. Ford Accessory Personalization for Bronco and Bronco Sport allows owners to personalize their vehicles with graphics and aesthetic enhancements, catering to various styles and preferences. Ford is introducing custom vinyl wraps in 60 colors and 3 finishes through Ford Vinyl Wraps, available in early 2024 for select F-150, Mustang, Bronco, and Explorer models. Professional installers will ensure compatibility with vehicle systems, and the program will expand nationwide.